Okay, let's talk about reconciliation. Again, you're going to need to refer to the image that is in Canvas that is going to help with this video. Okay, so here we have a check stub with a balance of $960. Okay, and here we have a reconciliation form. Okay, so according to the information on the picture in Canvas, it talks about list any checks still outstanding in the space provided the right. So they are listed in that image. So we have check number 768 for $529. Check 772 for $306. Okay, and then if we were to add those two together, we get $835. All right, so the next step 3 says enter the balance shown on this statement here. Again, if you look at the picture, it tells you that the statement is $1380. Okay, and then the next line says enter the deposits recorded in your checkbook but not shown on this statement. Again, that information is listed in that image. So we've got, it says it's $405. Okay, line 5 says the total, lines 3 and 4, so our total is $1785. Okay, and then it says to list the total checks outstanding here. Well, again, that's this amount we found here. So 835, and then we want to subtract them. So we get 950 when you subtract them. Now, if you notice here, we have 950, but our balance is 960. And the reason that differs is because if you look at that image, it talks about the bank service charge for $10. Well, that has not been recorded in our check account, and it has not recorded in cash and bank. So we need to do those two items now. So we're going to come over here and we're going to put minus service charge, and we're going to put $10. And then our new total is going to be $950. So now our check stub matches our reconciliation. Now we need to make sure that our cash and bank also matches these three. Okay, and that's where you come back here. So you're going to do 2017. It's October 31st. Okay, and unless your book tells you otherwise, you're going to treat all bank service charge as a miscellaneous, pardon my horrible handwriting, expense. Okay, and expenses are debited, so we have a $10 debit, and we need to take that money out of our cash and bank, so we're going to credit cash and bank. Okay, all right, so nothing new here other than why we are recording it. And then our source document is going to be our bank statement, and you can abbreviate, for October. Okay, so now we need to go post these. And again, you've posted before, but just to refresh your memory, we're going to miscellaneous expense. We're posting a $10 debit from General Journal page 4. So you get down here, miscellaneous expense, you write October 31st, G4 for General Journal page 4. We list 10. Okay, so they have a debit balance, okay, and we just did a debit. So when you have two debits, you add them together. So our miscellaneous expense increases to $615. Okay, and this is account 512. So we put that in the post reference, notifying that we posted it to our ledger. Then we have a credit to cash and bank for $10. Okay, so we come down here and we say 31st, G4, credit of $10. Now cash and bank carries a debit balance, and we just did a credit, so we're going to subtract. Okay, that now means we have $950 in our cash and bank general ledger, which now that $950 matches our checking account and our reconciliation statement, meaning we're all balanced. Hopefully you all caught that I did not take that account number 101 and put it up here for cash and bank. And that's how you handle a reconciliation statement.